So first, let me introduce our esteemed tutor, Mr. Abhishek. So he has over of 7 years of experience in teaching physics. He holds a master in physics and renowned for his interactive and student-friendly teaching style. So he has served in reputed organizations like Resonance and UDA class. So he's an expert in preparing foundation material for school-level children. Over 300 students of Abhishek sir have cleared JEE and NEET exams from his training. And now I would like to introduce our student for today, Taran Lalwani. And Taran is a dedicated student eager to deepen his understanding on physics for his 10th grade level. So Abhishek sir, the class is ready for you. And Taran, feel free to ask questions and engage with the class as much as possible. And let's make this engaging and informative session. And Abhishek sir, over to you.
Yeah, thank you, ma'am. Thanks for a nice introduction.
Thank
First, you can introduce yourself.
My name is Karan. I'm from class 10. I study in Chettinad, Chennai, Tamil Nadu.
And what are the subject beta you like most?
My favorite subject is history, social. Basically, I'm more into like development.
Economics.
Yeah.
Okay. I got it. So you like economics, history, civics like this, right?
Yeah.
Why not mathematics and physics?
I don't know. Like I don't like maths, physics, and all. It's complicated like that.
Mhm. Where do you face problem, beta? Exactly. Where do you face problem in physics? In understanding the concept or
In the numericals.
numericals? Okay, beta. So numericals is a kind of worry thing for you. Okay, beta, no problem. With my demo, this is just a demo class. I hope you will be, removing your fear from your mind
Yeah.
after my demo class. And let's start. Let me share my screen quickly, and you can have a note book with you as well as pen. Okay.
Yeah. One sec.
Okay, beta. So first question is here, beta, related to electricity, which is our next chapter. So a basic fundamental question, if we are starting the electricity, what is the use of electricity? Where do we use electricity? A general
We
question.
use electricity when for entertainment, for communication, for transportation, for society needs. Yeah, for our
Okay, good.
entertainment and etc.
Very nice. Very nice, beta. So we are using the electricity for the entertainment, for healthcare sector, in engineering, in transportation, communication,
Office.
in outdoors also, household activities. Let's suppose you are using oven, microwave, heater, commercial activities. In office, we are using electricity for fuel, and also is in space probe missions, we are using these electricity. Yes or no?
Yeah,
Got it. And the basic thing is here, beta. We are using the electricity for these number of sectors. Entertainment sector is there, transportation is there, engineering is there. Next point is here about the introduction of electricity. Got it. So introduction is fine. We know what is electricity. Electricity. What do you mean by electricity? What we are using the electricity. What is your concern about the electricity?
or charge. It's a charge which gives us power to something. It's electrical charge.
Okay, it is related to charge. That means flow of charge or something else.
The flow of charge, like electrons and protons.
Very good. And if you are saying flow of charge, then what is charge? How do you
Cha-
define charge?
Like charge is a physical and entity which define which excess of deficiency. That positive and
Excess or deficiency? Okay, good. Excess or deficiency. And now, beta, I'm considering this case. Let's suppose we have a glass rod. Got it? We have a glass rod. And what we are doing? We are rubbing it with a silk cloth. Got it? If you are
yeah,
taking any other cloth, then the deposition and the extraction of charge will be different. But if you are taking glass rod and silk cloth, then after rubbing, then beta, this silk cloth will be acquiring negative charge. Why? Because some electrons from the glass rod will be transferred to the silk cloth.
flow.
Got it? Some electrons will be transferred from glass rod to the silk cloth. And beta, if electrons are transferred, tell me the nature of electron.
It will be negative.
Negative, very good. So negative charge will be gone away from the glass. And beta, if we have excess number of electrons, as you told me, that means it will be acquiring negative charge.
Negative.
No, negative charge beta.
Yeah.
And this glass will be acquiring positive charge. Got it? So negative and positive charge. And beta, if we have if we have two charges, then definitely there will be some interaction between two charges. So let me show you the demonstration. You can see this is the demonstration. The same demonstration link is already there in your
Should I take that?
in your text format beta. In your chat we have dropped this
Yeah.
link. Okay.
Yeah.
For now you can just focus on my screen.
Okay.
You can see here, if we have a positive charge, you can see this is positive charge. You can see now
Yeah.
I'm placing it here. This is your positive charge. Got it? And
Yeah.
now I'm placing the another one which is negative charge. Let me show you. This is your negative charge. Look at here. What do you think, beta? Positive, negative, there will be attraction or repulsion?
What, sir?
If we have two opposite type of charge, look at here, we have one positive charge and now I'm placing a negative charge. What do you think? There will be attraction or repulsion?
Sir, attraction. Positive.
Attraction. Very good, beta. And we already know opposite charges attract to each other while same kind of charge will repel to each other. Now let's suppose I'm removing this negative charge and I'm putting this positive charge. Then beta, there will be
Not react. It will be
yeah, there will be repulsion, and you can see the arrows are pointing towards each other. That means there is a kind of war situation. Yes or no?
yes, sir.
So wow, you are firing an arrow, I will be also doing the same thing. That means repulsion. But if you are putting negative, then you can see beta. If we have negative, then one is firing and another one is accepting. You can see one is giving, another one is accepting. That means attraction. If one is donating, another one is not accepting. That means beta, there will be repulsion. Yes or no? You can see both are of same kind. Both are of same kind. So there will be a repulsion force. That means beta, both will be opposing each other. Now this is the point. You can see this yellow point. This yellow point is the unit charge. Got it? Unit charge, or also you can say this is sensor. Now I'm showing this here. You can see the charge is brought near to the positive charge. You can see the arrow is increasing. Yes or no? Taran? You can see the arrow is increasing.
Yes,
Why?
sir. It's
Why this arrow is increasing?
so because of the positive charge it's acquired.
Okay. Because of beta force of repulsion. If this arrow is more, if the length of this arrow is more, and also we know force is a vector quantity, then beta this will be increasing. And now beta, I'm putting this point, which is a sensor, which is a test charge, away from this positive charge. Then you can see the length of this arrow is decreasing. Yes or no? You can see this is decreasing. And if this is moving towards the positive charge, then this is increasing. And you can see beta, this arrow is pointing away. Yes or no?
Yes.
That means this will be having same kind of charge as of your positive charge. Let's suppose I'm removing this positive charge and now I'm putting the another kind of charge, which is your negative. Look at here. If this is moving towards the negative, you can see the length of arrow is also increasing. Again, here is a force, but force of attraction. Got it?
Yes.
Okay, so our next point will be the interaction of two charges. Got it?
Yeah.
So here, beta, this is your electric charge. These all are the property of electric charge. First point is A charge is a physical entity which is defined by excess or deficiency of electrons on a body. Got it? Either there is a deficiency of electron or excess number of electrons. That means a body is charged. Next point is a body is
To be
negatively
negative,
charged
to
when,
get electron.
very good, when it is accepting the electrons. When it is accepting the electrons. Got it? That means it has excess number of electrons available. Next point will be positive charge. Positive charge, that means if you have
Choose the
removed, yeah, if we have removed couple of electrons, then what will happen, beta? There will be a void. There will be a void generated, and because of that void, this will be having positive charge. What happens? A body is electrically neutral. Got it? A body is electrically neutral. That means it will be having equal number of proton and electron. Ideally, equal number of proton, equal number of electrons. If you have removed electron, then what will happen? Then what will happen, beta?
It will become negative.
Yes, negative charge is out. That means positive is remaining. That's it. Added electron, that means negative charge is added. That's it. Second point about this charge is the unit of charge. How do we measure charge? In coulomb. How do we measure weight? In kilograms. How do we measure volume? In meter cube or liter. Got it? So similarly, we are measuring the charge in coulomb. Next point is here, the same case, glass rod, a silk cloth, glass rod, silk cloth. Glass rod is having positive charge, and silk cloth is having negative charge. If you are choosing another case, which is ebonite rod, this is again ebonite, a kind of material. So ebonite, and this is cat fur. You are rubbing, then beta ebonite rod will be having negative charge, and cat fur will be having positive charge. That means from cat fur, the electrons has been removed. Got it? Here you can see from glass rod we have removed the electron. This is just the opposite case. You can see the concept is related to charge. Like charges repel each other, while unlike charges attract to each other. Got it? Let
Yeah.
me show you a demonstration. You can see we have opposite kind of charge and they are attracting. Yes or no? We have opposite kind of charge and they are attracting. One positive and one negative. So both sphere are having opposite charge. Opposite charge, that means attraction. And look at here. Positive and negative charge. Positive and negative charge, that means attraction. Yes or no, Tarun?
Yes, sir.
And here also you can see positive and negative, they will be attracted towards each other. Now, this is just the concept. The total charge which is acquired on a body, no matter what is the charge, total charge acquired on a body will be integral multiples of the magnitude of charge on one electron. Once again, the total charge which is acquired by a body will be the integral multiple of magnitude of one electron charge. And beta, for your information, the charge on one electron is minus 1.6 multiplied with 10 raised to power minus 19 coulomb. Got it? And more exactly, this is minus 1.602 multiplied with 10 raised to power minus 19 coulomb. Now, either you are transferring one electron, two electrons, three electron, four electron, five electron, 10 electron, 1,000 electron, 1 million, billion, zillion, trillion. No matter how much electron you are transferring, this will be an integer. You cannot transfer 2.5 electron. You cannot transfer 2.2 electron. You cannot transfer 5.5 electron. Understood this concept or not?
Yes, sir.
That means every charge which is existing will be integral multiple of,
Magnitude of the charge.
integral multiple of magnitude of single electron. Charge on one single electron. Got it? This is again a tip. Charge on one electron is minus 1.6 multiplied with 10 raised power minus 19 coulomb. Q is equals to Ne. I told you beta, Q is equals to Ne, and this N will be your integer, positive integer. That means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 20, 500, 1000, and so on and so and so on. Again beta, the equal magnitude of charge is also present on proton but opposite sign. Equal magnitude of charge is also present on proton but opposite sign. One is negative, another one will be positive. Okay, negative and positive. Magnitude will be same. A question is here for you. Two types of charge are present. Okay, you can attempt this. Type of charge which is present in nature.
A positive, B negative.
Which option you are choosing?
So both positive and negative are present in
Both positive and non-negative. That means option C.
Yeah.
Okay. So option C is the right answer. Now I'm giving you another question. Quickly attempt this. Like charges. Like charges.
So
Attempt this. Option you have to choose A, B, C, D.
yeah, sir, I choose option A.
Option A. Like charges attract each other.
Yes.
Oh my God. Like charges beta repel each other. Like
Sir,
charges
means like
repel each other. Yes or no? That means both are positive, both are positive. So there will be repulsion. Got it?
yeah.
Understood or not?
Yes, sir, understood.
One positive, one negative, they will be attracting. Opposite kind of charges will attract each other. Like charges repel. A question is here. Try to do this.
Charge economy.
Charge acquired on an electron is.
Sir, option B.
Option B.
Yeah.
Okay, option B is the right answer beta. So charge acquired on an electron is minus 1.602 multiplied with 10 raised to the power minus 19 coulomb.
Yeah.
Got it? One last question is here. You can see number of electrons that will make minus 1 coulomb of charge. This question I will be doing. Okay, you just have to look at here. So 1 coulomb of charge, look at here. Q is equals to minus 1 coulomb. Got it?
Yeah.
And I already told you beta, this Q will be integral multiple of charge on one electron. Yes or no?
Yeah.
And E. Now, charge on one electron is equals to negative 1.6 multiplied with 10 raised to the power minus 19 coulomb. So look at here, Q is equals to Ne and we have to solve for N. So put the N on left hand side, either side you have to put, and this is minus 1 coulomb and divided with minus 1.6 multiplied with 10 raised to the power minus 19, and this will be coulomb. Coulomb to coulomb will be cancelled out, and now beta we are writing the answer. So answer will be minus minus cancel out. This will be 10 raised to the power 19. This will be sent to the numerator. If power is sent to the numerator, this will be becoming positive. So 1 multiplied with here, and this is 1.6. 1 cannot be divided like that. So what 10 divided with 1.6, and this will be power reduced by 1. So 10 divided with 1.6, remember 6.25. Multiply with 10 raised power 18 electron. Tell me the answer.
So option B.
Option B. Option B is the correct answer beta. Got it? Good. So that's all for today's class. In next class, we will be talking about the electricity. So electricity flow is also same beta. The flow of electrons, the way the water is flowing, water is flowing. Similarly, electrons has to flow. That's it. Similarly, electron will be flowing. So this will be taught in next class. And let me revise what we have done. So first we have started with charge. Got it?
Charge.
Positive charge to and negative charge. And this is because of transfer of electrons. Transfer of single quantity, which is electrons. Electrons are removed, positive charge. Electrons are added, negative charge. Got it? Like charges repel each other. Unlike charges will attract to each other. Any question, beta?
No.
And charge on one electron is
Minus 1602 into 10.
1 point.
What's sir?
Charge on one electron is
Minus 1.602 into 10 in the raised to 19. Coulomb.
yes 10 raised to the power minus 19 coulomb. Okay, beta. So that's all for today's class. I think you have understood the class. Okay, beta. That's all. Let's meet in next class. Okay.
Yeah, thank you, sir. Thank you, Abhishek, sir, for this wonderful
Welcome,
class.
ma'am. Welcome, ma'am.
So, Taran, just share your thoughts about this class.
Oh yeah, I liked it. I was able to understand and what we revised it. It was a quick revision for me.
Fine.
Oh, so only one course of my exams are starting from next week,
Okay, beta.
and I have for this exam reflection and refraction. So it would be helpful that you would get me revised with the numerators.
Sure. Why not, beta? Why not? Definitely, we are here. Okay, so next week you have exam. So we will be revising reflection, and human eye. Okay.
Thank you, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Really?
Thank you so much, sir. Yeah,
Welcome,
Tarun, you can
ma'am.
leave.
Yeah.
Thank
can
you.
leave.
Bye. Thank you, sir.
Welcome, ma'am.